Dear students, the previous session we discussed about how to form the differential equations, and we discussed about order and degree. The order and degree of the differential equation whose solution is y equal to cx plus c squared minus c power 3 by 2 3c power 3 by 2 plus 2, where c is a parameter or respectively one and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, none of these. Here the given equation y equals cx plus c squared 3c power 3 by 2 plus 2. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to c into 1, 0. Then after differentiating one time, we are unable to remove the constant c. Therefore, in place of c, the given expression in place of c, apply dy by dx. Y equal to dy by dx into x plus dy by dx the whole square minus 3 into dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 plus 2. Then 3 times dy by dx whole power 3 by 2 equal to x dy by dx plus dy by dx the whole square plus 2 minus y. We should not have any fractions here. To remove the denominator 2, we have to square on both sides. So 3 into 9 into dy by dx the whole cubed equal to x dy by dx plus dy by dx the whole square plus 2 minus y the whole square. See, I removed fractions. Therefore, in all on both sides you have only first order derivative dy by dx only. So odd is 1. Degree. If you look out, if you observe here, the degree of the first order is 3, but if we expand, you will have dy by dx whole power 4. So degree is equal to 4. Order 1, degree 4. So option A is correct in this case. we have discussed already the order of the differential equation based on number of arbitrary constants exists in the given equation. The order of the differential equation whose general solution is y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x c3 e power 3x c4 x plus c5 c1 c2 c3 c4 c5 are arbitrary constants is five, 4, 3 D none. Y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus c3 e power 3x plus c4 e power x into e power c5. Here we have e power x, here also we have e power x. c1 plus c4 e power 5 into e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus c3 e power 3x. So this is a constant, you can name it as a e power x, c2 e power 2x, c3 e power 3x, where a equals c1 plus c4 e power 5. The equation has only three arbitrary constants, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, order should be 3. Hence, order equal to 3. Next concept, variable separable form. Solution of 4x dy minus y dx equal to x squared dy is y equal to c e power 4x. Option B, x minus 4 into y power 4 equal to cx. Option C, x power 4 minus y power 4 equal to cxy. Option D, none of this. Four x dy minus y dx equal to x squared dy. X squared dy So dy by y you can write this as dx by x into 4 minus x. Or if you bring this side, dx by x into if you take minus and outside common, x into x minus 4. So integral dy by y, we have separated the variables y and x. So we can apply integration minus dx by x into x minus 4. Integral dy by y equal to minus you can apply partial fraction as a short method 1 by x into x minus 4. Here we have two factors. Here factor with less constant minus 4 here x. Therefore 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x. The difference between x and x minus 4 constant, difference between the constant in the factor is 4. So divided by 1 by 4. Because if you take LCM, x minus x minus 4 by x into x minus 4, 1 by 4 x minus x plus 4 by x into x, this will be cancelled. Then 4 will be cancelled. You get this result. So what we rearrange like this. Into dx. So log y minus 1 by 4. So log x minus 4 minus plus c. Four log y equal to minus of log s minus 4 by x plus 4c. Log y per 4 plus log x minus 4 by x equal to here 4c. All terms inside c, therefore you can say log c for log c. Okay, take t log d per 4. Yes, option has the constant term c, so that you can name any letter. I take d, 4 log d per 4. Log y per 4 into x minus 4 by x equal to log d per 4. Which implies y per 4 into x minus 4 by x equal to d per 4. Y per 4 into x minus 4 equal to cx. Where d per 4 equal to c. So answer B is correct. The solution of the differential equation three into e per x tan y dx three into e per x tan y dx plus 1 minus e per x secant square dy equal to 0 is e power x into tan y equal to c e power x 1 minus tan y whole cube c tan y equal to 1 minus c per x whole squared tan y equal to c into 1 minus c power x the whole cube. 3 into e power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power x secant square y dy equal to 0. One minus e power x into secant square dy equal to minus 3 into e power x tan y dx. Bring plus term into this side. Secant square dy divided by tan y equal to minus 3 into e power x by 1 minus e power x tan x. So secant square dy divided by tan y equal to 3 into minus e power x divided by 1 minus e power x dx. So if you differentiate, you can find differentiation of denominator and the numerator. So log of denominator, integral f of x integral f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x, which implies log tan y equal to 3 into, if you differentiate, you can find here log 1 minus e power x plus, you can write 1c. Instead of writing c, you can straight away write log c. C is a constant, log c also a constant. Since we have log and throughout, if you apply log c, it will be better to simplify. Take log c. Log tan i equal to log plus log c. Log c into 1 minus e power x the whole cube using product rule. Log m plus log n equal to log mn, which implies tan c into 1 minus e power x the whole cube. So option D is correct. Next concept, differential equation reducible to variables separable form. The solution to the differential equation x plus a whole square dy by dx equal to a squared is option A, x plus y, a into tan y plus c by a, y equal to a into tan of x plus y plus c, y into 1 minus x power 4, 1 minus x by 4 equal to tan ya plus c. Option 4, none of these. First, observe the given differential equations. Here x plus y whole squared. We cannot separate straight away. So that we have to reduce this to variable several form. Put x plus y equal to z. You name this portion as z. 1 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx. dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1. We replace all three values in this equation. In place of this we can write z squared. In place of dy by dx you can write dz by dx minus 1 equal to a squared. So dz by dx minus 1 equal to a squared by z squared. dz by dx equal to 1 plus a squared by z squared. Z squared plus a squared by z squared, that is dz by dx. Z squared by z squared plus a squared dz equal to dx. Bring all z term into left hand side. This dx term into right hand side. Then applying integration on both sides. So we don't have direct formula this, so you have to make some adjustment. Adding and subtracting a squared in the numerator. So z squared plus a squared divided by z squared plus a squared dz minus a squared dz by z squared plus a squared equal to integral dx. This will be cancelled. Integral dz we have only z minus a squared for this 1 by a tan of z by a equal to x plus c. Z equal to x plus y minus a tannus of equal to x plus c. So this step is that's okay. Here you name it as C or some other constant D. So is that tannus of Z by OK? We can bring in several forms this answer, but based on the requirement we have to bring z minus x minus d equal to a into tannus of z by a. Z minus x minus d by a equal to tannus of z by a. X plus y minus x minus d by a equal to tan inverse of z by a. This will be cancelled. Y plus c by a equal to tannus of z by a. Since I have taken c equal to minus d. Which implies tan y plus c by a equal to z by a. Which implies a into tan y plus c by a equal to z, that is x plus y. So we can bring in summary forms also. Based on the options we have to make adjustment. So option A is correct in this case. So after evaluating the integral, you have to look after the options. Based on the options we have to make arrangements. So this method is equation reducible to variable separable form. We have to see one more example in this case. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 the whole square dx is four x plus y plus 1 2 into tan two x plus c. Four x plus y plus 1 whole square equal to tan of x plus c. Tan of 4x plus y plus 1 equal to cx. Option D, none of this. So dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 the whole square. Put 4x plus y plus 1 equal to z. 4 plus differentiating with respect to x. For x 1, 4 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx. So dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 4. Replacing these values in the given equation. In place of dy by dx, you take this dz by dx minus 4 equal to z squared. dz by dx equal to z square plus 4. dz by z square plus 4 equal to dx. dz by z square plus 2 squared equal to dx. dx by x square plus a squared equal to 1 by a tan of x by a. That is 1 by 2 tan of z by 2 equal to x plus. The final answer should contain C. Therefore, I take as x plus some constant d. Tan of z by 2 equal to 2x plus that is 2D. So tan is of 4x plus y plus 1 by 2 equal to 2x plus c, where c equal to 2D. So 4x plus y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to tan 2x plus c. Four x plus y plus 1 equal to 2 times tan 2x plus c. So option A is correct in this case. The next concept, homogeneous. The next concept is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equations. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous of degree n f of lambda x comma lambda y equal to lambda power n f of x comma y. Alternatively, homogeneous function f of x comma y of degree n can be expressed as f of x comma y f of x comma y equal to x power n into f of y by x or y power n f of x by y. Suppose a differential equation can be expressed in the form d over dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y equal to capital F of y by x where f of x comma y and g of x comma y are homogeneous functions of same degree. To solve this type of equations, we put y equal to vx, that is dy by dx equal to, for x1 v plus x dy by dx. The given equation then reduces to v plus x dv by dx equal to f of v. X dv by dx equal to f of v minus v implies dv by f of v minus v equal to dx by x. So we have made it to variable separable method. Hereafter we have to apply. For dA by dx we have to apply y equal to vx. If we have dx by dy, we apply x equal to dy. The numerator and denominator will have the same degree in this type of quotients. The general solution x square dy plus y into x plus y dx equal to 0 is x squared equal to cy into y plus 2x must be xy equal to c into y plus 2x. X squared y equal to c into y plus 2x. D. None of this. X squared dy plus y into x plus y dx equal to 0. X squared dy equal to minus of y into x plus y dx, that is dy by dx equal to minus of y into x plus y divided by x squared. Opposite is homogeneous. Y into x, xy power 2, y into y, y squared power 2, here x squared, which is you can observe x and y, xy, total degree is 2, y squared degree 2, here 2, so it is homogeneous. You take y equal to bx, which implies dy by dx equal to differentiating with respect to x on both sides, dy by dx equal to v plus x dy by dx. U dash 1, keep v as it is, plus keep x and differentiate v with respect to x, dy by dx. So replace this variable values in this given equation. In place of dy by dx, you write this one, v plus x dy by dx minus, in place of y you take vx, x plus vx divided by x squared. Minus v into x squared 1 plus c by x squared. This will be cancelled. X dy by dx equal to minus v squared minus v. Minus v squared plus, bring plus v into this side equal to minus of v square plus 2v dv by v square plus 2v equal to minus dx by x. V square plus 2v minus dx by x. This integration can be made in two different ways. dv by, you can make it a perfect square, that is in place of v square v, in place of plus and plus, divide the coefficient of v by 2, that is v plus 1 whole square, square this number and subtract minus dx by x. And dx by x squared minus a squared means 1 by 2a log x minus a by plus c. So 1 by 2a, that is 1 log v plus 1 minus 1 by v plus 1 plus 1 equal to minus log x plus some constant k. So log root of v by v plus 2 plus log x equal to k. Log root of v by v plus 2 into x equal to k. So you can take k equal to log c. Removing log on both sides, v by v plus 2 equal to log k, like that, no problem. Okay, keep it as it is. V by v plus 2 into x equal to e per k. Taking base e on both sides, we can remove log. E per log f of x equal to f of x. You have the result. Squaring on both sides, v by v plus 2 into x squared equal to e per k the whole squared. So y by x plus 2 into x squared equal to c, where e per k whole square equal to c, because the option contains the term c, so you have to make the constant in terms of c. Y by x by y plus 2x by x into x squared equal to c. This will be cancelled, which implies y x squared equal to c into y plus 2x. So option C is correct. Yx squared or x squared y equal to c into y plus 2x. So today we have seen variable separable form as well. We have started solving homogeneous method. We will continue this topic in the next session. Thank you.